Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be unboxing a new subscription box, which is the Ellish box, which retails for rupees 399, like altogether. I had paid 399 through Paytm. They have, other options as well. And all the details of the box and how to contact them, how to, place your order and everything will be there in the description box. So don't forget to check that out. So this is how the box actually looks like. It came in very securely packaged. I really loved how the packaging was. So I've already taken the products out and kept it aside. So once you open the box, so this is all you will see with the products. So I've taken all the products out just to show you what is there inside, and you get a lot of card along with the box. So the first card is the info card, which I'm not going to read. So the second card is about the product, one of the product in the box, which again I'm not going to read. So this one, as you guys can see, this is a coupon code which you can use at www.goodsoap.in to a while additional 20% off. So you can use it in May and June of this year. So if you guys are interested, you can definitely check this out. So, and the next one is the another card. You get floral face and body mist on orders above 1,000 rupees, and this is also at www.goodsoap.in. So these are the cards that I had got, and this is how the box actually looks. So I'm gonna show you the products which all I have got. So the first product is this one from Fuchsia Natural Skincare, which is a soap-free face wash. You get 100 ml of it, and I've got in the fragrance mulberry. I'm not very sure how good this will suit my skin. Even when being a natural skincare brand, I've heard good things about Fuchsia, but I think this is going to be my first ever product from the brand, and this one retails for rupees 450. I will definitely keep you guys updated about this because I'm not very sure how this will work on my skin. So this is our first product in the box. So the second product is this, which is a handmade soap. This is specially for made for Ellish box, which looks so cute. As you guys can see, it has a smiley inside, and the soap is like translucent yellow color, which I totally like. But the problem is that I wouldn't be able to use this because this is so cute, which will never allow me to use. So the next product is this one from Cape of Good Soap, which is green teas, matcha, and wine luxury body sorbet, artisan hand blended superfood for your skin, and you get 50 grams of it, and this one retails for 350 again, and the soap retails for 300 rupees. How you have to use it is like use the liquid to exfoliate and moisturize, gently scrub onto wet skin and rinse clean, good for 1 to 2 washes. So I think there is a lot of the product inside, but it says it is suitable for 1 to 2 uses. So let me just check that out. And this is a very new product to me. I've never used something like this on my skin, so I'm super excited to try this on my face. So the next product is this Comfura underarm pad, which is a free sample from the brand. So the details, like there is a lot of details given about the underarm pads, how you have to use it, and everything is there inside it. And this is how actually the pad looks like. Yeah, you have to tear this wrap up and use it. So this is the next product in the box. So the last product and the star product of this month's Ellish box is this, fashion crackle glitter magic. So MI fashion crackle glitter magic. So this is basically a nail polish kit wherein you get a base coat, like you have to apply this as the first coat, and on top of this you have to apply this one, and finally you have to apply this so that you get a crackle effect on your nails, which is so good. Crackle is always, it actually looks good without much effort. And this kit retails for 600 rupees, which is so huge. And yeah, I will definitely have this on my hands and leave a picture somewhere here on the screen. You definitely can see how it actually works, and also the details of all the products will be there on my Instagram, so don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and check out my stories for more details. So this is how the box came in. I totally love the box, because it had very different products, like the underarm pads, the superfood. So everything was like a very different thing for me, which I totally loved. I'm definitely giving this a very big thumbs up, and I highly recommend you guys to try this for yourself. I think I am so late about the box and everything, but you can definitely check out for the June month's box. Don't forget to subscribe, follow them on their Instagram, because they have super amazing offers going on here and then. So don't forget to check that out as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye.